Winter Harbor great views. This historic home offers such charm of older home and new updates as well on 2.93 acres with sandy bottom water and small beach area. The entry foyer is wide and inviting with a large living room, dining room, new custom gourmet kitchen, full bathroom, pantry, laundry area, and large waterfront family room, and sunroom. The second floor offers 3 large bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms. The primary bedroom has a large walk-in closet, cathedral ceiling and beautiful exposed beams, large primary bathroom. The home features, custom-built kitchen with cherry cabinets, Wolf commercial gas range, commercial range hood, granite countertops, hardwood floors, recess lighting, replacement windows, reverse osmosis water system, Renee tankless hot water, gas log fireplace, new HVAC on second level, pantry, water softener, freshly painted exterior, 6000 kW generator with plug, stainless appliances, tile bathrooms and high ceilings. The home had addition built and elevated in 2000 with dehumidifier in crawl space. There are several outbuildings for storage and a garage. This historic home offers such beautiful waterfront with great views from deck balconies on both levels.